In the heart of a besieged kingdom, echoes of clashing swords and the cries of valor fill the air. A lone knight, Sir Cedric, stands at the forefront of a fierce battle, his gleaming armor reflecting the sunlight as he rallies his men against the dark tide of invading forces that threaten their very existence. Sir Cedric, a paragon of honor, embarks on a quest to unite the fractured clans of the kingdom. With his trusted squire, Alaric, by his side, they traverse through enchanted forests and treacherous mountains, seeking allies to strengthen their cause against the encroaching darkness. As they gather support, the stakes rise. The rival lord, Baron Malric, plots betrayal from within, seeking to claim the throne for himself. Tension mounts as Cedric must navigate the treacherous waters of feudal politics while remaining loyal to his king and his own code of chivalry. The day of reckoning arrives. An epic confrontation unfolds on the blood-soaked battlefield, where Cedric faces not only Malric's mercenaries, but also the ghosts of his past. Choices made in the heat of battle will have dire consequences, testing his valor and resolve. In the aftermath, victory comes at a steep price. As the sun sets over the bloodied fields, Cedric reflects on the cost of honor and the sacrifices made for glory. The kingdom is saved, but the scars of betrayal and loss linger, reminding him that true valor often demands the greatest sacrifice.